In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Notion with GitHub. To get started, open Notion and make sure you are on the home screen. This is the main landing area where you can access your workspace and settings. From here, you will be able to find Notion's built-in marketplace, which is where integrations and tools are managed. Next, look for Marketplace and click it. The Marketplace is essentially Notion's hub for connecting other services to your workspace. Opening it is the first step to enabling GitHub features inside Notion. Once you are in the Marketplace, find and click on Integrations. This section is specifically for apps that can connect to Notion, so it is the right place to be when you want to link an external tool like GitHub. If you do not see it right away, take a moment to scan the page, because the layout can vary slightly depending on your screen size. Now, use the search bar and type in the word highlight. As you type, the list of integrations will filter and update. This helps you quickly locate the integration you need without scrolling through the full catalog. In the results, click on GitHub. This opens the GitHub integration page, where you can review what the connection allows Notion to do. Usually, this integration helps you bring GitHub activity into Notion, making it easier to track work alongside your notes and project pages. On the GitHub integration page, click Add to Notion. This is the action that starts the connection process. After you click it, Notion may show a confirmation prompt to make sure you want to proceed. When that prompt appears, click OK. This confirms that you want to add the integration to your Notion workspace. Finally, click Connect. This completes the setup flow and begins linking Notion with GitHub. If you are asked to authorize access in another window, follow the on-screen prompts to finish securely, and be sure you are using the correct accounts for the workspace you want to connect. And that is all there is to it.